Former Atlanta attorney Tex McIver will remain in jail as he waits to stand trial for the second time in the case of his wife's killing. A Fulton County judge denied his bond request on Friday. This comes after his murder conviction was overturned back in June. Joe Hankey was in the courtroom and has the latest.
Tex McIver walked into a Fulton County courtroom Friday after the state Supreme Court overturned his murder conviction, and he recently finished a 5-year prison sentence for influencing a witness connected to his 2018 trial.
The Supreme Court decision noted the weakness of the case.
McIver's defense attorneys asked the court to give him a $220,000 bond, order him to wear an ankle monitor, and let him live with his sister near Dallas, Texas.
The state holds the position that Mr. McIver is not a good candidate for bond.
Prosecutors quickly objected, noting he is now a convicted felon.
Mr. McIver is older. He's 80 years old. After being convicted of murder, I think it makes it to where he is less likely to return to court because he has less to lose.
In June, his murder conviction was overturned because the state Supreme Court ruled the jury was not properly instructed to consider a lesser charge of involuntary manslaughter at trial. In response, the Fulton County District Attorney's Office announced it would take McIver to trial again. 4 people spoke on behalf of Diane McIver, an opposing bond for Tex, including Diane's longtime friend and boss.
Considering in a part that he has never even given, saying he was sorry for killing Diane.
Judge Robert McBurney noted how in 2017, before his first trial, McIver had his bond revoked because a gun and ammo were found in his condo in violation of his bond.
Guilty of felony murder.
Judge McBurney ended the hearing by rejecting McIver's bond request and recalling the now overturned murder conviction from his first trial.
But effectively, you were sentenced to jail for the rest of your life. You, Mr. McIver, never, ever want to hear that again. And the best way to do that is to not come back. The best way to do that is to have a bond where you are living in Texas and you can disappear.
Up next, the judge will set a trial date most likely for next year. If at any time the state has to announce that it's not ready for that trial or request a trial to be delayed, Judge McBurney says McIver's attorneys could make a new bond request.